How to fix Demonologist Black Screen. 1. Check the game's minimum requirements. Upgrade your hardware if needed. 2. Update graphics drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 3. Update the game and keep it up to date. 4. Add DX11 into Demonologist's launch options. 5. Disable the full screen optimization option. Like this. Hint, refer to the IMG above to find game files.